வணக்கம் and welcome to my companion channel. நான் உங்கள் ரதிசித்ரா குறிஞ்சிநாதன். இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம கிளாஸ் 9 இங்கிலீஷில் இருக்கக்கூடிய poem 1 question answers and paragraph பார்க்க போகிறோம். இப்போ பார்க்கலாம். ஆன்சர் என்ன paragraph. என்ன கொஷின் கேட்டாலும் இதே paragraphை நம்ம எழுதிக்கலாம். The poet traveled through woods in his horse once. It was an evening time. It was the darkest evening of the year. The woods were filled with snowfall. He stopped his horse near the woods. His horse shook his head. There was no farmhouse nearby. He was attracted by the dark, deep silence of his surroundings. அதோட continuation தான். He decided to spend his time there. His conscience tickled him that he has to complete a lot of work before his death. The speaker's choice is to enjoy the beauty and peace of the snowy woods, but the society condemns it. He continues his journey. Paragraph அவ்வளோதான். இப்போ question answers பார்க்கலாம். Read the following lines and answer the questions given below. உங்கள் புக்லேயே questions கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஃபஸ்ட் லைன்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு அந்த லைன்ஸ்லேருந்து நம்ம ஆன்சர்ஸ் அந்த கொஷினுக்கான ஆன்சர் எழுதணும். He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. Who does he refer to? He refers to the landowner. Question 2. Identify the season with these lines. The season is winter. Question 2. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Who is the speaker? The poet is the speaker. Why should the horse think it queer? The horse should think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Pick out the rhyming word. அதாவது இந்த லைன்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய rhyming word மட்டும் எழுதுகிறோம். Queer, near. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. Whom does he refer to in these lines? He refers to the horse. Why does he give his harness bells a shake? He gives his harness bells a shake to get his master's attention. How does the horse communicate with the poet? The horse communicates with the bell sound. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. How are the woods? The woods are lovely, dark and deep. Who does I refer to? I refers to the poet. What are the promises the speaker is talking about? The speaker is talking about duties to do before his death and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. Why the poet has used the same line twice? The poet repeated the last line to make a strong claim. Explain miles to go before I sleep. The poet has many duties in his life. He wants to accomplish all before his death. That's all. இதை நீங்கள் பாஸ் பண்ணி வச்சு எழுதிக்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் வேறு ஒரு போயம் இல்லைனா லெசன் கொஷின் ஆன்சர்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.